The little girl went through the tunnel first. This is a Busy toy, and I got this for Mama when she was a baby. And what it does is it has other little toys inside of it, and they work really hard to get those little toys out. Una used to get so frustrated because she'd just get them all out and I'd put them back in. I don't know if these puppies will like it or get it, or I don't know. We'll see. And then this is a little cat mat that has Velcro toys on it that they'll pick off. I got one for my kids too. Bling loves it. I think she likes more the fact I put it on and she just destroys. Or she thinks she's destroying. I'm like, no honey, that's how the game works. So I decided, because they're getting a little bit older, to do a potty area and just see if that works, because I've got a pan on order that hasn't come in yet that I wanted to try. So right now I've got this boy available, one with the stripe on his back, and the tiny, tiny, tiny little one is the girl, and she's available too. We just got some Christmas tunes going on in the background today. I was gonna cut those off, but I'll leave it for now.